I've started working on some of the electrical repairs for my XJS. And one of the nice things about the 87 model with the target top is I can put an LED light across the top here with a Landau roof out and get plenty of visibility. And so I've got the console out and I've got a number of things out. Recently I've fixed the windshield wipers. So the windshield wipers, the wiper motor is under here. And a lot of water gets into it and eventually it goes bad. Now, you can see that it looks like it went down with the Titanic. There's so much rust in there, but that's typical. So my wiper motor system had three things that were wrong. The switch, when it would put it in the park or off position, was not sending the correct signals to the motor for it to park properly. And the second major problem had to do with the fuses under here. If I can find it here, the fourth fuse from the right is a 20 amp fuse, but that's Lucas size. And so the previous owner had replaced it with a 20 amp AGC fuse, which was too much power, and with a rusted motor it burned out the top connection and didn't make connection. So I had a melted fuse that didn't make connection, I had a bad switch, and I had a rusted motor. And now that all the three things are together, we have working wipers again. Yay! I now have all the lights working so that it will pass inspection. I was working under here. The lights on the right and left front are controlled by brake, what are they called? They're bulb sensors under here. I think we can see one of them there. The other one is above it. And that sensor was bad, and so that's why the lights weren't working on the right. And now I'm going to work on my switches for the windows. My driver's window goes up and down just fine. Oh, if it's not on, but yeah. So that worked fine, and then the passenger side didn't. So turns out the switch is bad. $20 later, the switch will make the windshield, the passenger window will go up and down. Next, I'm trying to figure out why is it that my speedometer is not working, and it's related to the trip odometer. I'm not getting trip information, so I'll get that straightened out next, and then I'll probably move on to figure out why my fans aren't working. But one thing at a time. We're making some progress here.